Hi everyone, I hope this message finds you well. I'm just doing a video to announce a special upcoming workshop I have. It's a live OCD recovery workshop on Saturday the 9th of September, and this will be from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is going to be a live program, so in other words a live workshop, so you can attend and ask me questions in real time and get them answered. We're going to be discussing how you can become free from OCD. So this is suitable for anyone that has OCD, even if you're on medication or you're currently in treatment already. We're going to go into why you currently are still suffering, how you can heal OCD. I'm going to be sharing my own journey with OCD and how I overcome it, and also sharing stories from clients that I've had all around the world become free from OCD. You will learn the specific technique. So this is a workshop where you're actually going to be practically doing something while you're going to be educated, and I'm going to be sharing knowledge with you, but it's really about the practical implementation. I'm going to be sharing you the specific techniques that I've used and I use with people to become free from OCD, so you can start from that Saturday implementing them in your daily life. It will be a group workshop, but again, you will get individual support and individual your questions answered and individual support if you need to. You will also have the opportunity then to join an OCD program where it's an online program where you'll be guided through all the techniques, but it's mainly about that you have the support. So I always buy these online courses, many different types, but I mightn't always foresee them or keep them going. And this program allows that, because I tune in live through Zoom on a weekly basis to a group of people who are learning to become free from OCD. But I want to offer this workshop to you to give you that bridge so that you actually can do the techniques yourself at home. But if you really need that support, which I recommend, there will be like a transition into a course if you feel free to do that. But we can talk about that on the day. So the live workshop will be from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. It will be €250 for them sessions. You will have a program after to follow. Again, it's for anyone that has OCD, regardless of how long you have it. If you have obsessive intrusive thoughts, you have compulsions, you have pure obsessive thoughts, you always have to have compulsions with that. Regardless of what type of OCD it is, whether it's contamination, harm, sexual, religious, there's the variety. There's a big variety. It doesn't really matter so much. It's how if you've been diagnosed, or even if you haven't been diagnosed, but you feel like you have OCD, I highly recommend you to attend the workshop. So if you feel like this is for you and you really want to make them changes in your life, you want to learn how actually you can become free from OCD, because you don't have to suffer for life with OCD. And that's my message to you. So please reach out, DM me if you'd like to get involved, or send me a message and I'll send you further information. Thank you.